Here we have a SAT math problem. Okay, let's go to the question. X square positive 10x positive y square positive 12y negative 723 equals to 0. In the xy plane, the graph of the given equation is a circle. If this circle is inscribed in a square, what is the perimeter of the square? Okay, first let me draw a square where a circle is inscribed. Here I've drawn a square where a circle is inscribed. Okay, now let me draw the diameter of the circle. Okay, here I've drawn the diameter of the circle. The length of the diameter of the circle gives the length of the side of a square. Once we get the diameter of the circle, that can be considered as the length of one of the sides of the square, and it can be multiplied by 4 to get the perimeter of the square. Okay, now our aim is to get the length of the diameter of the circle. Okay, let's try to get radius of the circle. Then it can be multiplied by 2 to get the diameter. For that, let's consider the equation for circle in general form, that is x square positive 2gx positive y square positive 2fy positive c equals to 0. This is the equation for circle in general form. When we have the equation for circle in general form, there is a formula to get radius, that is square root of g square positive f square negative c. We can get the values of g, f and c from the coefficients of x, y and the constant term c over here. Okay, now let's compare the given equation of circle with this one. Okay, here the coefficient of x is 2g. In the given equation, the coefficient of x is 10. Then we get 2g equals to 10. And here the coefficient of y is 2f. In the given equation, the coefficient of y is 12. And here the constant term is c. In the given equation, the constant term is negative 723. Okay, now let's divide the both sides of this equation by 2 to solve for g. Let me do it. Then this 2 will cancel out. I'm getting g on the left side. 10 divided by 2 is 5. Okay, let me divide both sides by 2 over here. Then this 2 will cancel out. I'm getting f equals to 6. Already we have a value for c. Let's get the radius of the given circle. That is the radius equals to square root of g square positive f square negative c. And for g, we know the value 5. Then we get 5 square positive f square, that is 6 square, negative. The value of c is negative 723. Okay, square root of 5 square is 25, 6 square is 36, and negative times negative will be positive 723. When I add all these values, I'm getting 784, and square root of 784 is 28. Okay, here I got the radius of the circle, that is 28 units, and here also I have 28 units. Now to get the diameter of the circle, we have to multiply the radius 28 by 2. Okay, let me take the diameter equals to 2 times the radius, that is 2 times 28, that is equal to 56 units. Okay, here I got the diameter of the circle, that is 56 units. So the same length we have for each side of the square. Here 56, here 56. Since it's a square, all the 4 sides are equal. Okay, now let's get the perimeter of the square. Let me write the stuff over here. Perimeter of square. Okay, to get the perimeter of square, we have to add the lengths of all the 4 sides. Otherwise, we have to multiply one of the sides by 4. That is 4 times the length of one of the sides of the square. That is 56. 4 times 56 is 224 units. Okay, here I got the perimeter of the square. It is 224 units.